We have the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 4x over 3x. Now if we're wanting to work some kind of a trig function limit with a quotient like this, we're going to need to go back to, we only know a couple of things when we're working with limits. We know that the limit as theta approaches 0 of sine theta over theta is 1, and we also know the limit as theta approaches 0 of cosine theta minus 1 over theta equals 0. So in order to work this limit, we're going to need to utilize these. So I'm going to look at the 4x, and I could call that theta. So I know that if 4x approaches 0, theta approaches 0. So if the denominator was the same, the theta, I could utilize this limit that I know. Well, let's make the denominator match then. Essentially, in order to do that, what if I multiplied this by 4/3, top and bottom? Now, I could do that because that's the equivalent of multiplying by 1, but essentially what that does, it puts the 4/3 on the top and it gives me the 4x on the bottom, which is my theta. So now I have 4/3 because I can move constants out in front of the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 4x over 4x. And that will now allow me to compute this part, which, because it's sine theta over theta, because these match, this limit as x approaches 0 is 1, and then multiplied by the 4/3, and so that gives me 4/3.